Ciao a tutti, I am Tony Allegra. I am not crazy. At my age, beans remind me film of Bud Spencer and Terence Hill.
Pasta e fagioli always gives mom the vibes of Western spaghetti, and you will get them too preparing this dish.
E quando vedo questi film mi viene voglia di menare e mangiare pasta e fagioli. Oggi ve la preparo alla pugliese. For this dish we need pasta, beans, tomato, onion, celery and carrot, some garlic, fresh or dry herbs and a little chili.
Let's start from the end so that you can understand what we are trying to achieve here. The ultimate goal of pasta e fagioli is a dish that is moist but not too watery. The beans should be soft but not too mushy. Follow carefully mom's instructions to avoid this or this.
We prepare nice vegetable stock with half carrot, half celery, half onion, garlic.
While a vegetable stock will guarantee the best result with delicious beans, if you are short of time and patience, you could replace stock with plain water in the next steps of this recipe.
Some herbs.
But if you decide to prepare stock, follow this tip from mom. Toast the vegetables without peeling them, then add cold water. This will extract all the nice flavor from the vegetables.
C'è un odorino di queste verdure che ci uscirà, sono sicura, una pasta e fagioli. I add a little salt and cold water.
When the water gets to a boil, lower the heat and let it cook until 1/3 of the water is evaporated.
Step number 2, let's cook the beans.
You can use different type of canned beans, red kidneys, borlotti, cannellini, but please do not use the ones already flavored. They have a ridiculous content of sugar.
Open the can and take out the liquid.
We prepare Italian sofrito with the other halves of celery, carrot, and onion. Dice them until this size, not too small, or you'll spoil the sofrito and mom will get mad.
Subscribe! Vieni, vediamo cosa è successo al brodo nel frattempo. Odore. Guardate che bel colore. E non potete sentire l'odore.
And cut chili pepper to spice up the dish.
In a pan, I put extra virgin olive oil, chili, and the trito.
If you want to know all the secrets for a perfect Italian sofrito, watch this video. Let it cook for a while over medium heat. When you start smelling the aroma of sofrito, add some Italian mix. And do not hesitate to add fresh herbs too if you have some. Certainly, the ideal herb for beans is rosemary. Add the peeled tomatoes that you crush directly into the pan with your hands. Cook for 15 minutes, adding a ladle of stock or water from time to time.
La pasta e fagioli.
After 15 minutes, add the beans and the little stock. Bring everything to a boil and turn off the heat.
Non bisogna cucinarli molto perché sono già soffici e finiremo di cucinarli con la nostra pasta. Aggiungiamo il nostro brodo.
Just enough stock to cover the beans, not more.
Bolle bolle e via con la pasta!
Broken spaghetti are not blasphemy to Italians with this dish or other dishes with lentils, chickpeas, and soups in general. So all is good here.
Qua ci sta uscendo una pasta e fagioli fantastica, altro che quella di Bud Spencer and Terence Hill.
The difficult part of this dish is balancing the quantity of water. The result cannot be too dry with totally mushy beans or too watery. Indeed, this is not a soup. This is Italian pasta e fagioli. This is why we add stock just a little bit at a time, and the stock needs to be always hot. Same goes if you use water instead of stock.
Aggiungere il brodo poco a poco nei fagioli è il trucco più importante per dargli la giusta consistenza semicremosa. Un pizzico di sale in più ci sta. Perfetta la nostra pasta e fagioli!
Yummy! This dish gives me so much spaghetti western vibes.
Io adoro mangiare i fagioli, ma c'è un piccolo problema. Le scorregge. Qualcuno di voi sa dirmi un trucco per non fare le scorregge quando si mangiano i fagioli? Scrivetemelo, vi prego!
Subscribe and smash the bell button to receive all our updates. See you in the next episodes of Tony's Home, where every day is a sunny day.